Hi everybody, we will be discussing about what is AUM or AUC. AUM is actually assets under management or assets under custody. So it is the total amount, the amount managed by the mutual fund company or AMC. AMC means asset management company. So on a given day, the total amount collected from the public grows as day by day. After some time, what happens is the amount whatever is collected, say it is 10 crores. 10 crores is because of the growth in the business, because of the assets being more people and investing in the company, and the business grow, and also the assets has been increased in their value. So NAV also increases. What is NAV? We will discuss once again. And the NAV increases because of that the assets under management increases. So it comes how it is arrived at. Asset under management is arrived at by multiplying units into a NAV of the day. If you want to calculate on a particular day, as on say it is 31st March 2021, so it will be as on that date one NAV will be declared by the AMC, so that will be divided by the outstanding units of the day. So what is units? Units is actually if you want to purchase, say you have invested in stock market, what will be you will be allotted some shares. Like that, in mutual fund company you will be allotted units. So those units, whatever the unit of a mutual fund is divided into multiplied into, is the NAV of the day will be is the AUM of the day. So what is NAV then? NAV is the net asset value. Net asset value, how it is calculated? NAV is calculated where assets minus liabilities divided by the outstanding units of the day. So what are the assets, what are the liabilities, we will discuss in a separate video. But here, for simplicity's sake, this is NAV. NAV is assets minus liabilities divided by outstanding units. Outstanding units is as on date some units are outstanding, so that will be calculated. So thank you very much for watching this video.